Hey guys, Andrew King here from ReviewSkingdom.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are checking out LinkPro, which is a cloud-based software that will allow you to basically do various different things. The first thing it will allow you to do is basically cloak any link you want. It will also give you the ability to shorten links as well as generate a QR code. So nothing fancy here, but the cool thing about this is it also gives you the ability to build these many sites where you can host and sell your products right from within their hosting. So these many pages will allow you to basically post your different products, and it will generate different sort of sales pages, many websites that will allow you to sell your products. It will also give you the ability to grow an audience and build an email list and much more. So if you are interested, then definitely stick with me during this review. I'm going to show you a detailed walkthrough in just a minute, but before we do that, there's going to be a link down below in the description that will allow you to go through to my bonus page where you can find out more information about LinkPro, as well as the pricing upsell details and the coupons that you can use in order for you to secure the best price possible, as well as the VIP bonuses that I'm offering to you if you want to pick up LinkPro through my link. So what I'm going to give you, whether you grab the front end, the bundle, or whichever offer you desire, you will get 4 different bundles. So I managed to convince the vendors to give you 4 different bundles of their previously released products. So the first bundle is going to be the Coursova, which is basically a software that will allow you to start your own e-learning platform, and you are going to get the front end plus all the different upsells, which would have cost you $297, but you are going to get it absolutely for free. You're also going to get the Trendio bundle, as well as the Web Primo and the Writer Arc bundle. So 4 different bundles that will be available even if you just pick up the front end, which is going to start at, I believe, $37. Let me just double check very quickly. So the front end is going to be available at, yes, $37 one-time payment. So if you just pick up the front end, you are gonna get 4 different bundles as a bonus from me, plus you get all the vendor bonuses that are mentioned right here on the sales page. Feel free to check them out at your own time. I also want to mention that there is a bundle deal for the LinkPro launch, and it's going to be available only during the launch week. So if you want to grab the entire funnel for just $247, you can click on the red buttons inside my bonus page and you'll be able to get 50% off the entire funnel. So rather than going and grabbing the front end plus all the different upsells, which would have cost you more than $500, you can go ahead and grab the bundle and you will get access to the front end plus each and every upsell except the last one for just $247. So now, without further ado, let's jump right into the software and let me show you what you are going to get. Now, this is going to be very similar to ClickMagic, except ClickMagic will charge you monthly and they have a limit on the amount of clicks that you get per month. So for example, for their basic plan, you only get 10,000 clicks per month. So you only get to track 10,000 clicks per month, and you get 1 website, store, or funnel. So you cannot integrate more than 1 website. If you want to do that, you have to get more websites by joining their standard plan, which is literally double the amount. So you have to pay $99 in order for you to get 100,000 clicks and add more than 5 websites. If you want the unlimited plan, it's going to cost you almost $200 per month. That's an extra $1,400 per year or something like that, or $2,400 per year, which is absolutely insane. For $37, which is a fraction of the price, you get access to LinkPro, which will allow you to cloak your links, and you can basically go here and let me just show you the dashboard first. So let me just double click on that, make sure that we are on the dashboard. Let me zoom out and you can see here we have the welcome, we have the visitors versus the clicks graph. So it shows you the total amount of visitors and the total amount of clicks. I haven't used the software, that's why it's not showing any data. You can also play around with calendar, so you can check the visitors and clicks based on specific times and periods. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to go and check out the first tool, which is going to be the cloaker tool. So I'm going to click here on the cloaker and I'm going to click on generate. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on new cloak link, and then it's going to ask me for a title. So what I'm going to do is, for example, I'm going to say Andrew Cloak 1 for the purposes of this demo video. And then the cloaking primary link, for example, I want to redirect to Google. So I'm going to type in here google.com, and I'm just going to copy this link, the Google link, and I'm going to go back and paste this in. You want to paste your cloak link. So for example, if you are cloaking affiliate link, you want to paste in your affiliate link where it says primary link. And then we want to choose our cloak link. Now, I haven't integrated any domain, so it's going to be hosted on their own domain, which is going to be linkpro.cz. And then we are going to choose our what comes in after the dash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in, for example, cloaked 1, 2, 3. So then I'm going to click on save. And as you can see, it has generated the cloak link successfully. Now what I'm going to do is, for example, I'm going to click on the copy icon right here on the right hand side. And if we open this at a brand new tab, and as you can see here on the top right hand side, it will automatically redirect me to Google. So let me just open this up in a brand new tab and let me show you. So if I paste this in and I click on enter, you can see it automatically redirects me to Google. Now, if I go back here and click on the refresh button, you'll be able to see that it should track the click. And as you can see, 1 click and 3 different visitors, because I visited the link 3 different times. So if I do this one more time, if I go and paste and click on enter, you can see that it automatically tracks that it's the same click, but it's 4 different visitors. Now, if you want to check out in-depth analytics, you just click here on the analytics tab, and it will show you the cloaked link right here. It will show you the amount of clicks, the amount of visitors, and it will show you a chart of the visitors and the clicks. So this is what it does. Basically, it tracks all the clicks and it gives you the analytics. That's basically the first tool. It's very simple to use, and it's very effective. And if you want to integrate your domain, you can do that to get more data. Now you can also click here on redirect, and it will allow you to basically change the redirect URL. You cannot change the cloak URL, but you can always change the primary link if you want to redirect traffic anywhere else. You can also click on delete to delete the specific cloaked link. Now the second tool is going to be the shorten link, which is very simple. It's very similar to any other shorten link service. You just click on generate, and you can generate a shorten link. So all you have to do is click on new shorten link, and I'm going to name it, for example, Andrew Shorten number 1. I typed in shorten wrong, so Andrew Shorten number 1, and I'm gonna redirect this one to, let's say, YouTube, for example, youtube.com. okay, and then I'm gonna click on generate, and it should generate a cloaked link. And as you can see, we have our cloaked link here. I can click on copy to copy my cloaked link, and I can go and open up a new tab, and if I paste this here, click on enter, you can see it's gonna redirect me directly to YouTube right here on the top right hand side. You can see that this is the YouTube domain. So this tool works just fine as the other tool. I can go back here and let me just go back to this tab, the shorten tab. And if I go ahead and refresh, so if I go and refresh this page, you can see that it tracked the click and the visitor. So it tracked us as visits. Again, you just click on the analytics here, and it will show you all the details about that. Now let's go to the next tool, which is going to be the QR code generator. Again, you can generate QR codes to whichever link you want. So for example, if I click on generate QR code, I can go ahead and type in or name my QR code. So for example, I can go and type in Andrew 123, and then I can also upload logo if I want to. I'm not gonna do that. And then all I need is a link. So for example, I'm gonna go and copy this link and I'm gonna paste it here. And I can also enter a text if I want to. So go take or buy this now. Okay, you can type in your call to action here or wherever you want. You can also choose the background color. If you like to change it, you can change it to any color. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose, for example, this color here, and you can see that the background has automatically changed. Right here on the right hand side is gonna be the preview. Now once you're satisfied, you just click on generate and it will automatically generate this for you, and this is gonna be your QR code. You can go ahead and basically, I'm not sure how you can save this. You can always take a screenshot of this and you can add it or embed it on your own website. Now you can also check out the analytics for your different QR codes, and you can check out your visitors, so it will show you everything. And here is the download button. Of course they have a download button. So once you are done, you can always download, and once you download it, it's going to be added as an image. Now if I open this up, you can see that this is the QR code that we have successfully generated. You can always choose the redirect URL, so you can redirect this to another URL. It's going to show you the current your redirection URL, and you can enter a brand new one and you can redirect all that traffic to another link. The next tool is going to be the bio links, and this will allow you to generate bio links. It's as simple as that. So you can generate links for your different social media bios. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in, for example, Andrew bio test number 1, and then we're going to click on create, and just like that, it's going to take us to their builder, and we can choose one of their built-in templates here. So they have a variety of different templates for different niches. For example, what I'm going to do is I can go ahead and preview any one of these templates. So if I click on preview, it's going to show me the website preview or the bio link preview on my desktop and my mobile. So we're just gonna wait a few seconds for this to load up. I'm not gonna pause the video. I'm just gonna wait for this to actually fully load up. Okay, it's taking some time because it's gonna show us the preview for both devices, including desktop and mobile. And then we can go ahead and decide whether we should go with this template or not. So this actually took a few minutes, but as you can see, this is the preview, and this is what's gonna look like at desktop, and this is what it looks like on mobile. So if you like this template, you can go back and you can choose this. So I'm gonna click on start with this template. It's gonna automatically load up the template builder, and I can start basically creating or crafting my bio link website or simple landing page if you want. So this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna load up their editor and I can edit the page. Now I can fully customize this. I can change the image, I can change the background. They have their own built-in editor that will allow you to play around with different elements. It will allow you to basically customize this however you want. Now if I don't want this video to be too long, so you can customize this however you like. You can basically change anything that you don't like. If you want to remove this button, you click on delete and bam, it's gone. Once you're done, you can always preview this. You can also check this out on mobile, how it looks on mobile, on other devices as well. So you can play around with this as much as you like. Now once you're done, you can either save this as a draft or as a template, or you can publish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on publish, and I'm going to keep it at public, and I'm going to publish it right now so we can see the preview of our bio link, and our bio link is basically ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on view, and you can see we have our bio link. So I can go ahead and copy and paste this and put it in my different social media accounts, so I can use it for my Instagram or any other social media whatsoever. Now this is regarding the bio links tool. The next one is going to be the product link, and here you can basically list your products and create similar pages to these ones where you can go ahead and sell your different products. You can add your products, upsells, you can check your orders, you can add discounts, and you can play around with different settings. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go to the product section here, and then we are going to add a new product, and it's gonna tell us which type of product or what type of product we want to sell. So what we're gonna go with is, for example, I want to sell a digital download, so an ebook or a software or whatever. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in a quick product summary. So I'm just gonna copy and paste something from my bonus page just to save some time. So let me just go back here, paste this in. And then what we are going to do, of course, you have to change the product name. So Andrew product number 1. Okay, let me just make this a capital A. And we have our product. You can also change the URL, so you can change the what do you call it, what comes in after the dash. So for example, this is going to be product 1, and that's basically it. I'm just going to click on check, and it automatically changed the URL. You can also play around with this. You can add your product images here by clicking on the plus icon on the right hand side. So you can click here to add your product images. You can add it to specific categories. You can add tags. You can add your product files. So this is what your clients will see once they get access to the product. You can choose whether you want to sell a product on a landing page. So if you click on yes, it will allow you to either choose a landing page, which is going to be one of the landing pages that we created using the bio links tool, or you can choose your own landing page. So if you are hosting this on your website, you can paste in the link to your landing page right here instead. The next thing is going to be the pricing, and you can choose whether it's free or it's a fixed price, and you choose your price right here. So for example, I want to sell this at $17, and you can add different variants to your products if you desire. So once you're done, what you can do is you can click on publish, and it will allow you to basically publish your product. I'm just gonna choose a landing page here, then I'm gonna click on publish, and I'm gonna click on publish again. So it tells me that I have to fill in all the required fields. So where is the required field? Let me just find this very quickly. Okay. So I'm just gonna go with a no here, and we are going to, I believe that's it. So let me just click on publish. Okay, the product images are required. Let me just upload any random image in order for us to be able to preview product. So let me just upload this one, for example, the QR code one. Click on publish. The product files are required. Again, let's just upload anything. So you have to fill in everything in order for you to be able to post your product. So it tells you that you need to put in everything. Now once we're done, let me just double check. Okay, we're done. I'm gonna click on publish, and here we go. This is our product right here, and we can go ahead and check out our product page, and you can see that this is the product page, and you can send people here. They can go ahead and click on the blue button to check out, and they can fill in their information and they can check out. Now you can customize both of these pages. And you also have to add your payment method in the integration section. So I believe if you go to the settings here, um, let me just quickly double check. So if you go to settings, there is a payments option here, as you can see, where it says sell. You can go to payments and you can integrate your payment option. It could be with PayPal, Stripe, Pay.com, JVZoo, ClickBank, or Warrior Plus. So you can integrate any one of these payment methods and you can get paid from selling your own products. You can also add different upsells. So the process is very similar. So you just click here and you type in your upsell name, you choose your main product, and then you choose the upsell. So you can choose this as an upsell product. You type in the title as well as description, then you click on save and it will be automatically added as an upsell. You can also track your orders right here. It says orders and you'll be able to see information about your orders and your customers here. You can add discounts. So if I click here on discounts and I click on new discount, I'll be able to basically name this, for example, Andrew discount 1, and then I can put a discount code Andrew 1234, and basically I can choose amount or percentage. So I'm gonna go with amount and I want to go with 17, and I want to keep this never expired. So you can choose a validity date from to, so this will be available from the 20th to the 30th or the 31st or something like that. I'm just gonna choose at never expired, and you can also choose a limit. So this is the amount of times the coupon can be used on your products, and you can also choose the product as well. So for example, I'm gonna choose Andrew 1, and then we are going to click on, let me just copy the code so we can test it out very quickly. So I'm just gonna click on save and activate. Okay, discount name cannot exceed 16 characters. Let me just call it discount 1. Click on save, and as you can see, the discount is now active. So let me just double check if this is actually working. So we're gonna click on preview. It's gonna take us to the checkout page. This is gonna be our product, and here let me just click on have coupon. You can see this, that it says, do you have any coupons? I'm just gonna click on this and I'm gonna paste in my code. I'm gonna click on apply. Let's see what happens. Yes, it gives us that $17 discount, and the product is gonna be absolutely for free. So if I fill out my information, click on sign up, I'll be able to get this absolutely for free. Now, once you start basically building your clients list, everything will show up here. So you can check out your different contacts that you got. You can also upload or import your own contact list if you want to. And here you can basically segment them. You can add your customers. I'm not sure why they added this. So basically what you can do is you can basically get all of your customers data from the orders tab, and then it will show up in the audience tab, and you can basically either export these lists. You can also segment them to different lists based on the product they bought from you, and so on and so forth. So you can customize this. Unfortunately, they don't have a built-in email sender or SMTP, so you have to export these lists and actually import them to your autoresponder in order for you to be able to reach out to them. But that's basically everything you will get here. You can also get different analytics about the audience, the contacts, and the amount of sales you have made. And they have integrations here. So this is part of the upgrades. If you want to integrate this with My Drive, which is one of the upsells, if you want to add different integrations, so you can integrate this with your autoresponder, I believe. So you can basically import different emails to get response, Aweber, Benchmark, MailChimp, and many more other integrations. You can also import, or you can also integrate your Drive. So you can integrate Google Drives to export the data as well as your customers' information. and so on and so forth. So this is basically everything you are going to get inside of the LinkPro front end, which is going to cost you $37, which I think it's absolutely insane because you are going to get 30,000 page visits per month. Now, if we go to ClickMagic, they are charging $49 just for 10,000 clicks per month. With LinkPro, they give you 30,000 visits per month for just $37 one-time payment, which makes this an absolute no-brainer. And you can collect and manage upwards of 10,000 leads with no restrictions whatsoever. The first upsell is going to be the Elite at $77. You can click on these links to check out any one of these offers. So I have added the links to each and every one of the front end as well as the upsell sales pages with the bundle as well. So you can check them out if you want to grab them or if you want to get more information about them. Now, the upsell number one is going to give you unlimited features. That means unlimited page visits. So let's do some math here. So $37 plus 77 is going to be around $114. So let's double check. So $37 plus 77, $114. Yes. So if you grab the front end plus the upsell number one, it's going to be cheaper than $199 and you get similar features. So you don't get a million clicks per month, you get unlimited clicks for life. So you are not going to be charged per month for this plan. You are going to get something very, very similar if you grab the front end, which is $37 plus the upsell number one, which is $77. So it's going to cost you around $100 plus, but you will get something similar to the Pro plan of ClickMagic. Plus, you get to sell your own products and integrate them into landing pages. You get to add bio links and much, much more. So you are getting more value for less money, which is something that's worth your while, that might be worth your while. Anyways, we move. Upsell number two is going to be the enterprise version at $67, and this will allow you to sell unlimited products, accept payments through PayPal. So you cannot integrate PayPal unless you grab this upsell, and you can also sell unlimited products and basically keep 100% of the profits to yourself. They don't even charge you monthly fees for this, which is absolutely insane. Plus, you get other features such as mobile-friendly, fast loading product and checkout pages, and you get to strengthen your relationship with your customers with CRM integration, so you can export your clients' data and contact them or reach out to them through third-party autoresponders. Option number three is going to be the Biz Drive at $67, and this is basically their own version of the Google Drive, and they will allow you to basically go ahead and secure or store your files safely and securely into their own cloud hosting, and they are going to charge you one-time payment and you get basically unlimited storage, so you can store as many files as you want. You can also lock these files, and these files are going to be safely hosted on their own fast CDNs. So if you want to get access to that, this is going to be an extra $67 one-time payment. Option number four is going to be the unlimited agency license at $97, and you get to basically add unlimited team members. You get the white label branding, so you get to sell LinkPro as your own and keep 100% of the commissions to not the commissions. You get to sell this at any price point you want. So this is not the reseller, this is the agency version, which means you can even change the logo and charge monthly for this platform. And you can do something similar to what ClickMagic are doing, and you can charge people, let's just say you charge them $50 per month for the unlimited plan, and they get access to all of these tools. If you get just 20 clients, that will be $1,000 per month recurring, and you have invested a total of $97 to get access to the agency license, which is something absolutely insane. I highly recommend you to go ahead and take them up on this offer. The last upsell is going to be the premium membership one-time deal at $697. And honestly, I have no idea on what this is. This is basically their premium membership. They are selling it for a monthly subscription or a one-time payment of $697. Now, what I recommend you to do is, if you want to take me up on this, just go ahead and grab the bundle, because honestly, for $247, you get the entire funnel except the upsell number 5. So the upsell number 5, which is at $697, is not going to be included in the bundle. You get the front end plus OTO number 1, 2, 3, and 4, which are worth far more than $247. So I highly recommend you to grab the bundle. But if you don't have the budget for the bundle, you can grab the front end and at least the upsell number 1, so you get the unlimited features, which is going to cost you a little over $100. But I promise you this is worth it. But if you don't believe me, there's also the 30 days money back guaranteed, so you can try this out. You can go ahead and grab it, and if you don't like it, you can always refund your money, no questions asked. Now, if you have any questions for me, leave them down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.